Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got some extreme cleaning motivation coming up for you guys. I love cleaning and I love sharing my motivation with you. So do hit that subscribe button. Let's dive into this cleaning motivation video. Let's tackle that bathroom.
I start off my work by cleaning the shower drain cover. European showers and bathrooms do look a bit different from American ones. I use a degreasing detergent alongside a toothbrush to get into all the nooks and crannies of the drain cover.
I miss the times when we could hang out in the phone.
As you can see, the filter is particularly greasy with soap residue and yuck hair, so it also gets a good toothbrush scrubbing.
And there was room for everyone. We were just playing in the sun. Where is the happiness now? We can turn back time.
Next up is the drain itself, as it also tends to get filthy and I want to prevent odors. I clean the drain itself. Then I clean the sink drain covers. They're made of chrome and I like them shiny, so all chrome things get wrapped in paper towels drained in vinegar to remove hard water stains.
I miss the times.
My faucets get sprayed with vinegar and wiped down with a paper towel as well.
We can do better, promise it will get better. I miss the times when there was room for everyone. We were just playing in the sun. Where is the happiness now? We can turn back time.
Once the vinegar has had time to do its work, I clean the covers and the drains with a toothbrush, which got a soak in bleach after the shower.
I miss the times when we could hang out in the phone without your troubles in my life.
My friends call me insane when I tell them about my cleaning routine. What do you think? Good routine or too much? Let me know in the comments. Next up is dusting the radiator and my makeup table.
Where is the happiness now? We can turn back
I also clean my makeup mirror, not sure why, but it always seems to get very greasy. Maybe it's the hairspray I use. Then I clean my mirrors. The one I'm cleaning now is actually a jewelry organizer. Next up is cleaning the vanity. After cleaning, I dry off the vanity with an old towel. Now it's time to clean the shower. I use a scrub brush and a toothbrush for the grout in between the tiles. I've been searching for a good filming position to show you the cleaning of my shower. Let me know in the comments if you think this works. As a detergent, I use the same degreaser to scrub the walls. For the grout, I use transparent toilet cleaner. It keeps mold away. After everything got scrubbed, I rinse it down with water. Also clean off the shampoo bottles so they can go back onto the shelf. Then I dry off the faucet to make sure it is as shiny as all other faucets in the bathroom. The entire process gets repeated on the bottom half of the shower. The finishing touch in the shower is to dry the floor. I use my old towel for this. I take out the garbage and do the vacuuming and mopping. Once the floor has dried, I return the garbage can and stool to the floor. The towels get changed and then I'm all done.
Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!